Hey everyone, today I'm partnering with Adobe to show you the newest version of Adobe Acrobat Studio with some of my favorite features, which include how to use AI for document assistance. If you've ever felt overwhelmed trying to read through contracts, conduct research using multiple sources, or learn something new quickly, this new version of Acrobat Studio will help you do all of this and more, making it the best AI-powered productivity tool. Here's what we'll cover in this video. Using summaries and PDF spaces to instantly understand long documents, checking citations so you can verify AI Assistant responses and learn more, Acrobat AI Assistant to chat through your files and get quick answers, PDF spaces to pull together multiple documents and summarize them, and reviewing and comparing two versions of a contract to see what changed. By the end, you'll see Acrobat Studio isn't just for viewing PDFs anymore. You can use it as the best AI workspace for reviewing documents, but let's jump right in. All right, let's start with the fastest way to understand a document. Let's say someone just sent me a 30-page industry report and I need to know what's in it quickly. If Acrobat is your default PDF viewer, then you can just click on the file and it'll automatically open the desktop app. But here I'll be using Acrobat in the web browser. So if we're on the home screen, we can click create a PDF space here or go up to the top and then click create a PDF space. Now we can go ahead and click and drag our file right inside. On this screen, we're able to upload a bunch of different file types like cloud files, a web link, text, or any other file type that's listed. For us, it's just a PDF, so I'm gonna click and drag into this window and press add to PDF space at the bottom. Now we have it open, we can check out the automatically generated summary card on the home screen of our PDF space. Right out the gate, without having to do anything, this can help us get oriented with consolidated key points so we have a high-level overview of the document. Now you may notice these little numbers here, which leads us to one of my favorite things about Acrobat AI Assistant. Unlike other AI tools, Acrobat actually gives us citations of where it's pulling the information from in the document that we submitted. So when we click on them, it'll pull up the exact page of the document and highlight the text so we can verify the information and read more if we need to, making it one of the most trusted AI workspaces. This is why Acrobat is one of the best AI document assistants out there. Now let's talk about having actual conversations with your documents using AI Assistant. Let's say we just bought a camera and it comes with a massive instruction manual. Instead of reading 100 pages and using Command F to find keywords, we can actually use AI Assistant to ask specific questions. First step is opening up Acrobat. Now let's go to the top and click Ask AI Assistant and type in something like, how do I change the aperture settings? So not only did it give me an answer, but it also shows where it found the information so we can learn more. So if I click one of these annotations, it takes me to the exact page and gives me steps how to do it. Now let's say we're getting the hang of the camera, but it's still not taking great photos. We can go ahead and ask, why are my photos coming out blurry in low light settings? And see what it says. So in this case, it gave us an answer with a bunch of suggestions that we could do next time to help us take better photos. This is way better than just searching through the manual that we uploaded. It's important to know that AI Assistant also works for any type of complicated document like research papers, contracts, trend reports, performance reports, financial statements, and a lot more. This is why it's the best AI workspace for reviewing documents, because us, the user, can be in complete control while using it to speed up our workflow and learning. Now let's talk about PDF spaces and how to increase productivity with AI. This is really useful when you need to work with multiple files at one time. Let's say I'm applying for a job and want my application to stand out. I have three items here: the URL for the job posting, my resume in a Word doc format, and my portfolio in a PDF format. The first thing I'll do is create a PDF space by going up here at the top and clicking create a PDF space. Now I can go to your device. Now that I'm on this screen, I can upload my resume and portfolio just by clicking and dragging it into the window. Now let's add the URL for the job posting itself by copying it, going over to web link, and then pasting in the URL, and then add to PDF space. If we wanted to add more files here, we totally could, because it can support up to 100 files at a time. Now all of our files are ready to use with AI Assistant. I can type in something like, I'm applying to this job and want to know what projects I should highlight in my application so I can stand out. And let's see what it says. So as you can see, it's referencing all the documents that we uploaded to give us specific recommendations from what the company is looking for and match it to the actual work in my portfolio. This is a really powerful way to use Acrobat. So as you can see, PDF Spaces is awesome and can work for any situation where you have multiple files that you're trying to understand at one time. Now let's move on to an amazing use case of Acrobat and see why it's the best AI platform for summarizing and reviewing documents. And we're gonna do that by comparing two versions of a contract. So let's say we have an agreement from a graphic designer and they just sent us back a revised version. Instead of reading both contracts and trying to manually spot the differences, we can use AI Assistant to help us. First, I'll create a new PDF space and add both contract versions. Just click and drag them inside and press add to PDF space. Once I'm in, I can now type create a table comparing the key differences between these two contracts and click enter. After a few seconds, it shows us exactly what's changed. We can see that in the revised agreement, it extends the final deadline by 14 days, and the invoice due date goes from 60 days of issue to 90 days. So I know this by itself is really cool, but here's a bonus of what we could do with this information. So if we click and highlight this table, we can press save as note, and it'll save this information in this notes tab so we can access it later. This specific use case of PDF spaces is super helpful when you're negotiating back and forth. Instead of spending a ton of time reading both contracts line by line, you can instantly see what key areas to focus on. Okay, so now let's recap all that we covered in this video. We used generative summary to understand long documents and checked citations to verify the responses. We used AI Assistant to chat with our files to get specific answers. We used PDF spaces to analyze multiple documents together and used it to spot differences in two versions of a contract. Adobe Acrobat Studio is one of the best AI-powered productivity tools and workspaces for summarizing and reviewing documents because it speeds up your workflow while giving you complete control. If you want to try it out for yourself, I'll drop a link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.